Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, I'm Nisha Thomas and today's vlog is a life update vlog. So I wanted to tell you that my offline classes have started and I don't know how I should feel about it, because somewhere I am a little sad of leaving house, because in all these 3 semesters we got so much adapted towards online learning, and that phase of life that it was very difficult for me personally to leave house and come to hostel and live the hostel life once again after almost, I guess, 2 years. Yeah, that was the major life update. And okay, wait, let me show you my room first. Okay, so this is the main door from where we enter, and then there is a basic bathroom. And when we enter from that door, towards the right side there are 4 cupboards, and these are the bookshelves and this soft board, which we are planning to decorate it when we get time. And then we have the study table, 2 shelves for keeping our shoes or sandals. Then we have this fridge right here, it's an old one, and next to the fridge this door opens up to the balcony. It is a small one. And this is my roommate's bed, and this is my bed. This is me. Please ignore how I look, because I have traveled for 4 hours, so that's why this. And yeah, that's it. So this is the before of the room, and I'm planning to do a room makeover very soon. And now, without wasting much time, let's just start unpacking the luggage. It's a very basic room, nothing fancy as such, but I have stayed here for 2 years, and now again I've come here for 6 months. And yeah, I'm happy as well as I'm sad. It feels good to come back to this place where I stayed for 2 years, and it's very special to me because I stayed here with my sister for 2 years. Okay, so now let me just start with the unpacking. It is the most dreadful thing to do, but what to do? What is to be done is to be done. So let's begin. Okay, so I just started the unpacking and I realized that I forgot to bring a rough cloth, and I don't even have a newspaper. Now I don't know how I'm going to clean the cupboard first before putting all my clothes inside. So now I think I'll have to use a handkerchief. The first day, and this is what is happening with me. Let's continue.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
Okay, so I had to tell you this, that this thing is the best invention in the world. I'll tell you what it is. It is basically a pouch which opens up like this. You can keep anything in this. Currently I've kept all my innerwear in this pouch. So basically what this does is it helps you to organize all your clothes properly, so these tiny clothes won't get lost among all your other clothes. And the main use of this is whenever you have to wash delicate clothes, so you can put it into this and you can toss it in the washing machine and it will get your clothes cleaned very well, so it will not damage your clothes as well. So if you want, you can definitely try this. It's been almost 2 years since I've started using this, and it is the best invention, I swear. Chalo, now let's continue.
You were saving that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So you'll find me silly, but I bought these things from home to decorate my hostel and to make it feel like home away from home. So you might find it silly, but yeah.
I would.
Perfume, perfume, more perfume. Okay, tell me something. Do you also have a polythene bag at your home in which you have polythene, in which you have another polythene? So tell me in the comment section if your household also has this one big polythene.
Talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well.
Great success! It is 2 days later and I think I'll end the vlog here. If you want to see the room transformation video, then let me know in the comment section below. And that is how my first day at my hostel went like. So if you enjoyed watching this vlog, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.